Hello everyone, let me show you how to install OMNeT++ in Ubuntu 22 in a very easy way. First of all, let's open the browser and let's download the OMNeT++. Download OMNeT++. And let's go to its official website and let us download the OMNeT of the Linux. We'll click on this download button and let us wait till this download finish. Now the download is completed. Now let us return back to the web page and let us click in this documentation. In this documentation, there are lists of documents related about the OMNeT++ is available. So let us click in this install guide PDF. Here we will find the installation guides, how we can install this software easily. Let's click here. And in the left hand side, there is option called Ubuntu. Let's click in here. Here it will tell you all the necessary files that is required to be installed. Now let us open the terminal and let us run the commands one by one. First of all, I'll run this first command, sudo apt-get update. I'll just copy it and I'll just paste it. After this, let us run the second command to install the required packages. I'll just copy this command, copy, and I'll paste it here. Here, let me do a little changes. Let me remove these special characters and let it be a single line, like this. And here also. Like this. And I'll just run it. For this I need 1064 MB of data. So let us wait till this downloading and installation completes. Now let us run the next command. This is the installation of Python libraries. Copy and paste. And let me remove these characters. Enter. Now let us go to next command. In here, this sudo apt install OpenScenegraph plugin, this command does not run in Ubuntu 22. So let us see whether this is running or not. This does not work in Ubuntu 22. So we have alternative. See, this command does not accept it in Ubuntu 22. We cannot install this using apt-get install. So for Ubuntu 22 there is an alternative. So for Ubuntu 22 we have to use this command, sudo apt in get install libopenscenegraph-dev. So I'll copy it and I'll paste it here. Let me make as a single line. Enter. Yes, and enter. So let us wait till this installs completely. Then let us see the next command. Then let us copy this, copy and paste. Yes. Then let us see, is there any other commands? For graphical installation, this Python 3, this command is already run. This is post installation step. For now, this is not required. And this command is already run here. After this, let us see the file that we have downloaded. Whatever we have downloaded is in downloads folder. So let us copy this download folder. We can do cut also and move in this home. After this, we need to extract this OMNeT file in the home folder. So to do that, let's go to the Linux and let's run the tar command. tar xvfz omnet, and just click on tab. It will come the file and just enter. This will extract the compressor file. After this, let's do this environment variable cd omnet ++. So go to terminal, cd, when you write om, just click on tab, it will come up, enter. Then next command is source setenv. Go to terminal and paste, enter. This will set the environment variables, and then after this it is also set like /configure to build. So we have to go with /configure /configure and enter. Configuration is finished. So let's use make to build omnet ++. So let us see there here also make command. So let's run the make, make, enter. This will take time, so let us wait till this omnet ++ building is complete. Now we can type omnetpp to start the IDE. Before that, let us verify the installation. To verify the installation, let's copy this, cd sample/aloha. I'll paste it, enter. After that, /aloha, copy and paste, enter. By this it will start the omnet ++. By this we can confirm that omnet ++ is successfully installed. And now let us start the IDE. So let's close this one. Let's come back to the terminal and let's go back to the OMNeT. So cd, okay, cd omnet pp, and now let's type omnetpp. This will start the IDE. Here we need to specify the workplace. I cannot maximize this window, so I need to press on tab twice, enter. Now OMNeT IDE has started. So in order to create, we can click on file, new, OMNeT project, like this. Then we can change the location where we want to create the project, or we can use the default one, and for example test, and next, empty project, finish. Like this we can create the OMNeT project. In this way OMNeT++ is installed easily by just copy and pasting the commands. So let me close it. But there is one issue. When you restart your system and try to open the OMNeT IDE, you have to move to this directory omnetpp, and you have to run omnetpp. But when you run this command, it will give you error, because whatever the environment variables set last time, it won't be set again. So we need to reset the environment variable again. For that we have to type source setenv. After that we have to run omnetpp, and in this way you can restart your OMNeT++ IDE.